Looking for your dream home in Mahadevapura? Stop searching because your home is waiting right here. A brand new luxury 3 BHK flat. Semi-furnished, ready to move in. Location is everything, and this home is right where you need it. You get 3 modern bathrooms, designed for comfort and convenience. A peaceful puja room, where you can start your mornings with positivity. And don't forget the balcony, your private corner to enjoy fresh air, tea, or simply relax after a long day. Every corner of this home is designed to bring comfort, elegance, and happiness to your life. Just 500 meters to the bus stop, only 600 meters to the metro station, 1.5 kilometers to the railway station. IT hub, EY office only 1.5 kilometers away. ATM at 300 meters, shopping made easy. Mall just 700 meters away. And of course, more mega hypermarket for all your daily needs. With everything just minutes away. This flat keeps you well connected to work, shopping, and leisure. And what about your lifestyle? This flat comes with the best of amenities. 24-hour power backup, no more worrying about cuts. 24-hour water supply for your everyday comfort. 24-hour security guard plus CCTV surveillance for your family's safety. Dedicated car parking, secure and convenient. And yes, a party hall, because celebrations deserve a special space. This is not just a flat, it's a complete lifestyle package. And now the most important detail. You can make this your home today. Rent just 50,000 per month plus maintenance. Deposit rupee 2.5 lakhs. Status ready to move in right now. Good ventilation. Big kitchen. Balcony. Puja room. Prime location. This is more than a flat. This is your dream home in Mahadevapura. Your happiness begins here. Will you grab it? Contact Madhu 7975288078.